Hi everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to open and play a video by using Opencv in Python. So let's get started. So first thing, just open your project folder in PyCharm. So first thing, you need to install the Opencv library, alright. So for doing it in PyCharm, it's really simple. Just you need to go to File, Settings, and you need to go to this project and your project name. And here you'll be having this Python interpreter. Just select it, and this is the name of the library. It's opencv-python. So you need to just click on this plus and you need to type opencv-python. So you need to just click it and install the package. So I've already done it, so that's the reason why it is appearing for me over here. And in case if you aren't using PyCharm, what you can do is you can just go to your terminal. All right, you can just go to your terminal and you can basically just copy this particular command. It's pip install opencv-python. You can just copy this and run it to your terminal. Okay, it's however your way. Okay, you can do that. And next thing, just click on this configuration over here. Just click edit configuration. Just click on this plus Python and just select your .py location over here. All right, just select this. For me it is this file. Okay, I've already added it, so if you haven't, just do that as well. So these are some of the prerequisites for doing it, and now let's just jump into the code. So first thing, it's going to be import cv2, and next line we're just going to use a variable which is cap equal to cv2 dot, we will be using the video capture function. All right, so it's capital V and we'll be having video capture, and inside this function we need to specify the name of our video. Okay, so in my case I'm having my video in the same folder as my .py file, so in that case I will be just specifying my file name alone, okay, not the path. So it's sample.mp4. you need to specify the extension as well, so be careful there. And next we will be using a while loop to iterate, so it's going to be while and we'll be checking whether our video is opened. So it's going to be capture dot is going to be is opened over here and the colon, and here we will be basically like extracting each frame or an image of our video and we will just play it like a cartoon. Okay, so we will be just looping through each and every frame and displaying it in a form of video. That's what we'll be doing, and that's the reason why we are using a while loop basically. So we will be getting two information from this capture variable. One is a boolean, whether that particular image is present or not, and another one is that image or frame itself. So it's going to be, let result be that boolean. Okay, it's just a variable, I'm naming it as result, and another one is going to be the frame of that video. So frame equal to our capture variable dot read. All right, so this is now good. So this result boolean variable basically tells us if that particular frame is available or not. So we will be just having a if condition, if result equality true. All right, so this result will be false if the video ends like that. So this basically just tells us that that particular frame or image is present in that video. So it's really important to have this condition. In case if you miss this, I think you will be getting some error. So in the next line it's going to be, and the next line we're just going to display our frame as a video. Okay, so it's going to be cv2 dot, it's going to be im show, and inside this we'll be passing the name of our dialog box. You can name it as video, maybe just a video, and you can just come outside of that and just pass your variable name which is frame. And next thing we will be just having a if condition. If I press the key Q, this video will be just getting terminated. So just come to the next line. It's going to be if cv2 dot wait key, this is the delay, I will just go with 1, and it's going to be 0xff equal to ord, and within that we need to put the key. For me I will go with Q. All right, and it's going to be colon. If this condition is true, let me just break this particular video and just now come outside of this while loop itself. It's going to be capture dot release. Okay, because once this particular loop is broken, we need to just close our video. All right, close that particular dialog box thing, and it's going to be cv2 dot destroy all windows. There will be destroy window, but you need to go for destroy all windows. So once this while loop is broken, we are just stopping our video and we are just breaking all the windows or the dialog boxes that is appearing on the screen. That's the purpose of this particular line. So I think now we are good. So let me just now run it. Just click on this. So I'm not getting any error, and now my video is playing over here. It is actually playing in a full screen. So now let me show you how you can basically resize it. So for closing this video, just press on the key Q. Boom. So it has now closed, no errors. So it is working fine. So now let us see how we can basically resize the particular video. Already it was playing in a whole screen. So for that, what you're doing is just come above this cv2.im show. It's going to be frame, this particular variable that we have used to capture our image, equal to cv2 dot, we are going to use the resize function, and we are just going to pass our variable name, which is frame. And next thing is that we need to specify the width and height. Okay, so let me just go with 400 comma 500. You can just play around with it, or you can just add how much ever you want. I will go with this one. So if I just now run it, yeah, so this time you can see I'm getting it in a much more smaller form. So this is because of this resize function that we have specified over here. And again I will press Q. So this is now fine. What if your .mp4 file was in some other folder? So let's suppose that I'm having the same video in some other folder. I'm having it in C, VID, and here I'm having that particular sample.mp4. So what you need to do is you need to just copy this particular path, and you need to just come over here and just paste it and just put a double slash. All right, you need to put double slash whenever there is a slash, single slash is present. You need to put double slash. This is the path, and this is the name of the video with the extension. So this is how you need to like add the path in case if you're having your video in some other folder, okay, not in the same folder as your .py file. Hope that made sense. So now let me just run and verify it whether it's working or not. Yeah, so here you can see it's working perfectly. And the final thing what you can do is you can also have a else break condition for this if statement. So just come over here and just put a else. All right, else for this particular if. I think it's perfectly indented. Yeah, just have a else, and we're just going to put a break over here. So this else break condition is for this result if it is false. So now let me just run it. I think this will work fine as well. So when the video is over, this result will be false. All right, so for that we need to have this else break condition. So as you can see here, the video is playing perfectly. So if I just click on Q, it goes off. And I hope you have found this video useful. I have also done many other programming videos in Opencv, Python, C, C++, Java, Node.js, React.js, Figma, as well as 3D animation using Blender. So do check other videos of my channel, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.